We're here at the Ayala Country Club. It's Wednesday morning.
It's Wednesday morning. It's 10 minutes to 7 o'clock in the morning. This is Canlubang, Laguna. We are in Canlubang, Laguna.
Forest.
We can just walk. We can just walk.
Tama na yan. Ano pala? Iba pala kasama nyo, si Ram Ramil and saka si Al
Okay,
Ramil.
tawagin mo sila.
Hindi kayong apat. Okay. Saan ba sila? Tawagin mo sila dito. Para ma-one-more. Hey!
Do our caddies have yardage?
Don't know.
They should know.
Yeah, they would know.
Hopefully.
That's part of their training.
Good shot, Jay. Next flight, Mr. Lopez, Mr. Martinez.
Good shot, Jay.
Hey, stay safe.
Striped it, didn't he?
Good shot.
Yeah. Crushed it. You can't read it.
This is the left of the trap.
That's a good trap. Yeah.